Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Michael Horowitz and Daniel Turneman.
Okay. Everyone here tonight has seen and taken part of the impact that technology has on society. We are more connected than ever before.
As a result, it's more possible than it has ever been to change the world. And tonight's nominees are working towards making the world a better place through technology.
Our first nominee is FireChat. FireChat is the first off-the-grid messaging app that allows users to chat without an internet connection through mesh technology. In 2014, it played a huge part in civilian communication in both Iraq and Hong Kong and their government's restricted internet use.
Girls Who Code is our next nominee. Girls Who Code is empowering the next generation of female engineers and bringing more women into the male-dominated software engineering discipline by training tomorrow's female coders today. Because as we all know, Girls Who Code are awesome.
Next, we have Internet.org. 2/3 of the world doesn't have internet access. Mark Zuckerberg founded the nonprofit Internet.org to bring more people around the world online by providing free internet access in developing countries.
Next up is Tim Cook's Brick. It was a huge year for Apple CEO Tim Cook, who came out to encourage others in similar situations to be themselves. In his coming out article on Bloomberg Businessweek, he said, "We paved the sunlit path towards justice together, brick by brick. This is my brick."
And the last nominee in this category is Twitter. Several political uprisings were aided by the 140-character social media giant, informing the public by becoming a real-time news source for unrest that took place in 2014 in places like the Ukraine and Ferguson, Missouri.
And the runner-up for biggest social impact goes to?
The runner-up is Tim Cook's Brick.
And the Crunchy goes to Twitter.
From Je suis Charlie to Bring Back Our Girls to Black Lives Matter in honor of our users and the issues that they care most about. Thank you.